The Valley of the Rocks, or otherwise known as the Valley of Rocks, is a dry valley that runs parallel to the coast in North Devon, England, about 1 kilometre to the west of the village of Linton. It is a popular tourist destination noted for its herd of feral goats and for its geology having good exposure of the Linton beds, formerly known as the Linton Formation. These are among the oldest Devonian rocks in North Devon and are highly fossil-fillous. Also note are the periglacial features formed when this area was at the limit of glaciation during the last ice age. The valley is believed to owe its existence to the dissection by coastal cliff recession of a former extension of the valley of East Lynn River, which now meets the sea at Linton. In late 1797, Samuel Taylor Coleridge and William Wordsworth visited the valley together and decided to write a prose tale called The Wanderings of Cain, set there, though it never completed. The poet Robert Salvive was a visitor in August 1799 and was impressed, describing it as covered with huge stones, the very bones and skeletons of the earth, rock reeling upon rock, stone piled upon stone, a huge terrific mass. In her poem on the subject, 1831, Letitia Elizabeth Landon views the place as suitable for the unhappy, but as she puts it, gloomy vale. If thou could be haunt for human misery, half our life was spent with thee. Later R.D. Blackmore set part of his novel, Lorna Doone, first published in 1869 in the valley. The Linton Formation. Extending east from Woody Bay, the Linton Formation underlies the village from which the sequence is named and continues in a thin strip of country as far east as the hamlet of Orr. There is a small inlier of the Linton slates at the foot of Quantock Scarp at Triscombe. The formation is composed of slates and siltstones together with some sandstone. Though the base is not seen, it is believed to be between 300 to 400 metres thick. There are fossils of brachiopods, bivalves, bryozoans present, consistent with a shallow marine depositional environment. One of Devon's and Exmoor's better known natural tourist attractions is Valley of the Rocks, a dry developed in this formation just to the west of Linton. A Visit to the Valley in 1974 by the Australian composer Miriam Hyde, with her husband led to her writing the piano piece Valley of Rocks in 1975, which became her best-known composition.